Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to denoise in your track on Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and create a new one if you do not already have one, and after logging in you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Bandlab, where you can get started with seeing all the trending videos. You can see all the posts by other users and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is click the plus button right here in the middle part of the bottom part of the screen. Click on plus. That's going to open up this new page where we can get started with importing a file. We can add a voice audio recording, so on. Whatever we want to do, just go ahead and open up your studio and add your files. So after opening up your studio, it's going to look like something like this, where we can see our file right here and our track, and this is what we can do to denoise it. It's very easy. All we have to do guys is just go ahead and click the track that we want to denoise, go ahead and tap on it, and it's going to open up these new options. You want to click the three dots right here that are going to appear, so click the three dots and the options that appear, and after that it's going to open up this new drop down menu right here of all the options you can access, and as you can see one of them is called Denoise. So go ahead and select Denoise, and as you can see it's going to show you success, that it has successfully denoised your track, and now you can go and take a listen to it with the denoise activation and see how it sounds. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.